Hi guys, it's Bob from Greybeard Models, and I'd just like to do a quick stash update in support of our friends over there in the Ukraine. I've added this little sticker that I got. So all the kits that I've got added to the stash are all from the Ukraine. So here we go. Right, so the first one, try and get the glare out, is this from Mini Art. It's their kit number 35630. It's a box of wooden barrels. Instructions on the back, really quite cool, really quite straightforward, and I've got these just to help with a couple of the diorama things that I've got planned and that are coming up, so I thought that'd be quite useful. Got a little colour call outs there, all based around Vallejo paints and Mr. Colour, AK, Real Colours, Mission Models, Ammo MiG and Tamiya. So really quite a useful set, I think, if you're building, I don't know, a truck and you want a load to go in it, something like that. Next one, similar sort of vein, oil and petrol cans from the 1930s and 40s, again by Mini Art. It's their kit number 35595, and I should say all these kits are in 1/35 scale. Again, it's a whole selection of cans in the kit, and get it right way up, Bob, and then all different types of cans, funnels and stuff like that, and it also has a whole set of decals, so you can do all these different types of cans, you know, this Castrol and Texaco, BP, that sort of thing, and Shell. So it's quite a good selection. And again, colour call outs for Vallejo, Mr. Colour, Life Colour, Tamiya, AK Real Colour, Mission Models, and that's in Ukrainian, so I don't know what that is. It might be the names of the colours. But yeah, so that should be an interesting thing to have. I'll stick those, you know, build these as required and go and add them into any dioramas that you're building. This one, the next one, these are tool makers. So again, trying to hide the glare off it, sorry. These are a couple of figures, a workbench and a variety of tools. And on the back, colour call outs again for Vallejo, Mr. Colour, AK Real Colour, Mission Models, Ammo MiG and Tamiya. Kit number is 38048, and I think there are a couple of really useful figures to have. I've got a toolmaker machinist project that I've had going for a while, and these two figures will actually be really useful for that, so they're handy to have. Next is this kit by ICM. Again, it's a Ukrainian company. Leyland Retriever general service truck, model kit number is 35600, and again, really nice kit, really straightforward build and straightforward colour scheme on it. Should be a really good one to add to a collection of service vehicles and stuff like that. And now this is a really interesting one. I've been looking at these for a while. This is by Mini Art. It's an Austin armoured car, 1918 pattern. This is a British Service Western Front. Comes with full interior kit. It's as I say, by Mini Art, and it's their kit number 39009. And the thing that attracted me to this was this whole faded sort of red and white striping, and the picture's really cool. It's got, you know, lots of muddy references and sort of muck and all that, typical Western Front. So I've got that one in the stash as well. And then finally, I couldn't actually resist this one. It's another version of that armoured car, Austin armoured car. the interesting thing with this is this has got a full interior kit. It's by Mini Art again. It's got Ukrainian markings. These are the Ukrainian markings, and it's kit number 39005. The interesting thing I spotted about that was it spells armoured like that, which is the American way of spelling it, but on this one, which is the British Army pattern, it spells armoured like that, which is English as opposed to American English, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so I think given that this has got the Ukrainian markings and a full interior detail as well, I think I'll stop all the projects I've got at the moment and go ahead and just build this one and try and get that finished as promptly as I can. But those are the kits that have been added to the stash this month, and there was one more kit that arrived that I didn't actually buy, but it was sent by my brother Pete over at Pete's Car Custom, and it's a Volkswagen T1 Samba bus, the Revel kit in 1/24. This looks like a really good fun build, so that'll be in the stash to build as well. Don't know when I'll start it though, but anyway, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and good luck out there.